Once you're finished working on your Zentangle pattern sketches, you'll have all your squares done. You're going to begin working on your second worksheet. This is combining tangles and patterns. And if you notice, you have a example up top. But what you're going to do is you're going to choose 6 different patterns that you like from this worksheet and put them within these 3 strips. So let me begin. I'll start off by using this one, but just understand when you're looking at the example that the more you overlap one pattern on top of another, the better it's going to make it look when you're combining it. So again, I'll start with this one right here. Okay, now that I'm done with the first one, I want you to notice that I went over top of the strips. As of right now, I'm going to pretend that these lines are not here. It makes it a lot easier if you do that. Now, obviously, this kind of pattern has a very definite line, like a dividing line. And when I begin my next pattern, I'm going to show you how you can overlap a little bit to sort of help with something like that. So the next pattern that I'm going to choose to work with is going to be this pattern right here. So I'll go ahead and begin inserting it right here. So I began drawing that pattern right here, and if you'll notice, I made sure that I went over top of this pattern a little bit. So you saw me erasing a little bit of this pattern to add that on, and then I just made sure that the lines went right up to these little ovals that I was drawing. So now I'm going to begin another pattern. Let's work on the fish scale pattern here. There. Now, as you can tell right here, I tried to make the fish scale pattern look like it was going underneath all of these. So I made sure that when I was drawing these lines, I didn't go over top of the ovals, but instead made it look like it was going behind them. I also made it look like this was over top of this pattern by continuing this on as though it were going to go underneath. And you're going to do the same on the side as well. You know, just make it, pretend like it's going on off the page. And then you're just going to continue with one pattern, adding them in, and you want a total of 6 patterns on this page. So right now I have 3, I need to add in 3 more, and then this page will be finished.